Friends, hello everyone. The second generation Renault Megane has surprised me again. All four doors in the car are actually different, essentially the card system. It's understandable that we distinguish the front from the rear doors because the handle is different, and the window lifters should be different. But no, the driver's door is completely different from the front passenger door. The problem is that if all three other doors are removed, this half is not fully attached with clips. It's not firmly in place here. So basically, trying to rip it off would be a real pain in the ass. That's why this half can't be removed. In fact, as it turns out, there's no need to remove it. You'll only need to rip the clip off from below and remove it, again, only from below. This one can't be removed. All three other doors can be removed. The French are probably very inventive in this regard, which is why they excelled at the front passenger door. What else I want to say, it's interesting here in this part that many people have difficulty removing the glove compartment due to the fact that it fits in there very tightly. In fact, if these clips, people usually notice. They take them out, that's good, but then it starts to be difficult. In the process of removing this glove compartment, there are these projections here that need to be carefully put on the left, on the right side. They need to be slowly lifted. Then you essentially close the lid and slowly begin to pull it out. It goes tightly, but it goes. So the main thing first of all is to tear them from the seat, these projections antennae. Then it is removed. What else about? The map surprised me, and in general Megane surprises me lately. It broke. Showed with an axe that I will now repair it. It was repaired immediately. The glass did not go down, did not go up, we just removed the map. Tried it, connected it to the connector, everything worked immediately. That is, the car is generally self-healing. That is, you do not need to run there right away to buy motors or drives. I disassembled the map, put it back together, I swear, and for 6 months the rear doors are the same. We repaired it ourselves, we just took it apart, put it back together. We didn't even do much cutting into the engine. Everything has been working properly for 6 months, winter has passed. Everything is great, so there is no need to buy anything extra. Everything here is repaired with the power of thought and telepathy. What else is special about this door is that the lower bolts, there are 2 of them, if there was 1 there. Then here are 2 bolts, you take them out and unscrew them. Look, this protrusion, we called it a hubobino. That's quite a literary word, and it's inserted here under the card. There's a connector here, that is, when you take it out. It's carefully removed, or first remove the card. This half, then you can remove it. It will already be clear, but we first removed the grid. And then removed the half of the card, that's the peculiarity of this. And one more thing, this half. It's essentially held here by 2 such grooves. It fits tightly, snaps and holds, nothing wobbles, doesn't hang out, doesn't fall off. So carefully with your fingers, it is enough your finger. So take care of your manicure. A manicure costs more than this plug. It depends on where to do this manicure, oh well. Guys are right, I think you shouldn't worry about a manicure. Like me, actually, with your fingers, so all the best for men. Thank you all for your attention. Good luck, may everything go well with you. It healed itself and there was no need to buy anything for repairs. There were no difficulties, good luck.